The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to the English we speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm hungry. I mean Neil. Feifei, why did you book this studio recording session at midday? I'm starving. Do you fancy going for lunch? I've heard that new chicken restaurant just down the road is excellent.
Not sure about that.
Oh? Have you been there before?
Yes, and it left a bad taste in my mouth.
Oh, really? So the food's bad? Everyone says it's great.
Well, the food was great.
Eh? The food was great, but it left a bad taste in your mouth? I don't understand.
Let me explain. If something leaves a bad taste in your mouth, it means you've had a bad experience and the memory is unpleasant.
Oh, I see. So what went wrong?
The bill was twice as much as it should have been.
Ah, I get it now. We use the expression it leaves a bad taste in your mouth when we have a negative experience and feel bad or angry about it afterwards. Like being ripped off in a restaurant.
Come on, Neil, let's hear some examples. Then we can go for lunch, somewhere that doesn't rip me off.
I refuse to go back to that hotel. They were so rude. It left a bad taste in my mouth.
When my boss sent me that angry email last thing on Friday, it left a bad taste in my mouth.
It left a bad taste in my mouth when I got fined for going just 1 mile an hour over the speed limit.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English. And I'm with Neil, who was wondering why I've got a bad taste in my mouth when it's got nothing to do with food.
We use the expression it leaves a bad taste in your mouth when we have a negative experience and feel bad or angry about it afterwards. So, is it time for lunch?
Yes, Neil. I really want you to come and try that new tofu place. The food is just delicious and the service is excellent.
So, will it leave a good taste in my mouth?
It sure will. Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed that video. I know you did, but do leave us a comment to let us know what you actually thought. Don't forget to subscribe, clicky clicky, you know what I mean, and here are a few more videos for you to enjoy. Look at that good stuff. Wow.